So, I just want to clear things. Popo and Bon are same. So, last 2021, nagkaroon ng problem si Popo Live na hindi siya ma-download. Before, ang pangalan lang ni Popo Live is Popo, so hindi siya ma-download sa Google and Apple Store. Kaya gumawa sila ng alternative application which is yung Bon. Pero, bumalik naman din po kagad si Popo Live sa Google and Apple Store. Yun nga, nagpalit siya ng pangalan which is Popo Live. And 1 to 2 days lang yun. So, sa madaling sabi, Bon and Popo are same. And kung ano yung account nyo sa Popo Live, yun din yung account nyo sa Bon. Then yung mga iba nagtatanong, ma'am, bakit hindi ko po makita yung withdraw button? Minsan kapag gumagamit sila ng iOS or kaya naman yung Bon. Kapag ganun po, kailangan nyo lang naman pong face authenticated kayo at makaipon kayo ng 100k points. Maka-cash out kayo. You don't have to worry. So, kung ano man yung gamitin ninyo, parehas lang yan. And then, if you wanted to watch my live, my user ID is 79170. Pero, naka-day off ako ngayon hanggang bukas. So, I'm doing live every 9 p.m. by Tuesday hanggang Saturday. And you can visit my other social media accounts. Just search Tita Laika. And my YouTube channel, may mga tutorials ako doon. Just search Tita Laika Vlog.